Taylor here with Agri spray drones. When you get your T40 and you open your remote box, you might notice that you have some extra discs for the spray module here. These aren't actually extra, these are different than what comes on here. So I'm going to show you how to take this one off. I'll show you the differences. I'll show you how to put this one back on. So underneath your spinner, we have a wing nut. This wing nut's Loctited, so you have to use a pair of pliers to loosen it first, and then it's just a regular thread, so it'll come right out. And then there's this plastic nut here. You have to hold on to your disc whenever you spin this, and it should come off as well. There's a spring that comes out with that, and then your disc comes right out. So the difference here between these two discs are the type of atomization. So this disc essentially is this disc without two bolt holes here. So this disc here is actually bolted to this outer shroud, this outer disc. And what this does, it actually atomizes twice. They call it double atomization, to where, you know, basically it's the droplets running through these knives here and it's cutting it up, atomizing it, and then as it exits this disc and it goes into this outer disc, you can see it has grooves here and it's atomizing it a second time. So when you put this disc on, it's just a single atomization. And it goes on exactly the same way. The other one comes off. Just line it up, make sure it fits right up in there. Take your spring with the white facing up and the plastic nut, screw it back on, and then just put your wing nut back on. This disc here should actually make your droplets bigger. So once I get this on, we'll show you guys a side-by-side comparison between the double atomization and the single atomization. That's it.